Assembly a letter submit kala. So what she has said.
The formality is that they have to issue the bulletin and then notification. ते करतले. All the formality complete झाले.
You are the chief whip now been appointed by Congress. So your role also comes the much as the leader of opposition. So how do you see this responsibility?
It's first thing I have to thank the party for selecting and choosing me as and appointing me as the chief whip of the party. It is very honorable to hold this position because if you see in democracies, the chief whip is very important role and position. It will be in consultation with the party, decision will be taken what to support and what not to support, and probably what to oppose also. And according to that, the whip will be issued so that the party members fall in line and vote accordingly. Today, it is more important because of the 10th schedule. And in the constitution, if any of the members of the legislature vote against the whip, he will suffer or incur disqualification and attention.
It is not like earlier who has been appointed chief whip and you also have experience as far as legality is concerned and all. So how
even as supporting the party, I have to draft the whip, so I know the nuances of that, and I don't think there should be difficulty.
Because Congress has faced this defection earlier in the last term and all. So how stronger you would see that your points are drafted in such a way that your people doesn't defend?
See, defection is something which is to be controlled by legislation, and I sincerely believe a person when elected should fulfill the mandate for which he or she has been elected. And if a person defects, remember the word is defection, when he just leaves and joins another party. If he resigns and recontests, I don't call it defection. But if he just overnight switches over to another political party, that according to me is a defection. Whatever you may say about the numbers game, 2/3, 1/3, whatever, I don't agree with those formulas. People trusted you, people gave you a mandate. If you have the guts, if you have the face, go back to the people and ask for the mandate. So that is not in our hands. And let me be honest, even if you issue a whip and someone defies it, he faces a disqualification.
There is a debate which has been going on this statement, whether it is Michael or the ruling, the BJP party is concerned, or saying that Michael Mundabit 15 महिन्याने आपण सरकार करपा try करतो.
Michael only can answer what statements he makes.
No, but you are a part of it now.
I will follow whatever the party tells me to do.
No, but possibility?
Did I not say something on the first day after my result? You never know what can happen today to tomorrow.
Sir, पण तुम्ही म्हणले की डिफेक्शन कशाचं डिफेक्शन 2/3 1/3 समज तुम्ही सरकारकडे जाल तुम्ही डिफेक्शन करचे पडपा ना
कायद्याप्रमाणे कित बसते कोतले आम्ही if as much as what law can be used that side we can also use law.
So दुसऱ्यांनी केला जाल्यार तुम्ही कित्याक करप?
I don't say unprincipled actions, but we will do in accordance with law.
So politics and unprincipled accordance with law चलता.
तुम्ही जाणार आसात म्हणून आणि कायद्यान कित बसना ते मागीर जगोन चोयतात आमी.
Yeah, thanks.
So last time you said about the 3 cylinders, which one? So now government has said that they are giving it is possible to give them.
The method I have mentioned it very clearly. First thing I had mentioned at the election campaign time that they will first raise the price of the cylinder and then they will try to give us one free. I mentioned this in my, not now, I mentioned it during my election campaign. You watch every day what is happening. They are already raising the price and then they will say one is free. Now I still want to see, as I mentioned on the very first day when I came, I want to see that notification, what it gives 3 cylinders and to whom, because you know many schemes are there. Free udo ditat, free anikit ditat, magir line ahat. You should even subsidy for cylinders. You remember the subsidy for gas. You should not have an income of a certain amount. So then magi last fine line watchon magi poropaza scheme kitpon bosta. That's why I said last time, let me see the order first and then I will give you a comment on it.
Okay, thank you.